If your home in Dallas feels uneven in temperature, too warm in one room, too cool in another, your windows may be part of the problem. Drafts and hot spots are common issues in homes with older or inefficient windows, especially in a climate where heat can be intense for much of the year. Replacing outdated windows is one of the most effective ways to create a more balanced, comfortable indoor environment. Drafts often occur when windows no longer seal properly. Over time, materials can wear down, frames can shift, and small gaps can develop. These openings allow outside air to enter and conditioned air to escape. In Dallas, this usually means hot air creeping in during the summer, making it harder to keep your home cool. Replacement windows are designed to eliminate these gaps by providing a tight, secure fit that blocks unwanted airflow. Hot spots are another common issue tied to poor window performance. These occur when certain areas of your home receive more heat than others, often due to direct sunlight or inefficient glass. Rooms with large or older windows may feel significantly warmer than the rest of the house. Modern replacement windows are built with advanced glass technology, such as low-E coatings and multiple panes, which help reflect heat and reduce solar gain. This keeps indoor temperatures more consistent across all rooms. Energy efficiency plays a major role in reducing both drafts and hot spots. New windows are designed to improve insulation, helping your home maintain a stable temperature regardless of outdoor conditions. In Dallas, where air conditioning systems work hard to combat the heat, this improved efficiency can make a noticeable difference. Your HVAC system won't need to run as often or as long, which can lead to lower energy bills and less wear on your equipment. Another important factor is proper installation. Even the best windows won't perform effectively if they're not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that each window is measured precisely and sealed properly within the frame. Insulation materials and sealants are used to close any potential gaps, preventing air leaks and ensuring maximum performance. This step is essential for fully eliminating drafts and achieving consistent comfort. Replacement windows also improve how your home handles sunlight. While natural light is beneficial, too much direct exposure can increase indoor temperatures. Modern windows are designed to let in light while minimizing heat transfer. This allows you to enjoy bright, open spaces without creating uncomfortable hot zones. In Dallas homes, this balance is key to maintaining both comfort and efficiency. Noise reduction is another added benefit. Drafty windows often allow outside noise to enter along with air. Replacement windows with tighter seals and multiple panes help block unwanted sounds, creating a quieter indoor environment. This contributes to a more relaxing and comfortable living space overall. In addition to comfort, replacing your windows can enhance indoor air quality. Drafts can carry dust, allergens, and pollutants into your home. By sealing off these entry points, new windows help create a cleaner and healthier environment for you and your family. Durability is another advantage of modern replacement windows. Built with high-quality materials, they are designed to withstand Dallas's heat and weather conditions without warping or deteriorating. This long-lasting performance means you won't have to deal with recurring issues like drafts or uneven temperatures in the future. Aesthetic improvements also come with window replacement. New windows can update the look of your home, both inside and out. A clean, modern appearance combined with improved functionality makes your space more enjoyable and can even increase your home's value. In the end, reducing drafts and hot spots with window replacement in Dallas is about creating a more comfortable, efficient, and balanced home. By upgrading to modern windows and ensuring proper installation, you can eliminate uneven temperatures, improve energy performance, and enjoy a living space that feels consistently comfortable no matter the season.